aba ye may ye nuanum kumai womo ahyase school selection na fe call computer selections for her no almost why placement no na fe eventually womo afine almost self and I say womo akọ senior high schools ye friend about abrabo nyina so and womo kọ hyase at SHS near ma free ha na fe okosua pomu na fe de oba be ye no na wotoa so enti sa bia we say very critical. Senior high schools no very very critical enunti se ubisa ho se ensem a ekoso wo my Ghana mu say na ya yesi efa no and indiscipline na ekoso in various senior high schools no and eni anyan indiscipline na obo asese tag die si ye wo hese students achi headmaster boot headmaster secron for SSA properties. You ask yourself, say then SCA. You say allegedly headmaster akoye neme bi ache say emfa kwanu. But ye free here drew high and the students to meet headmaster bono. Hey, even say headmaster ye bone kra. Students etimi emboldened, empowered. So o mechi headmaster abono secron for na headmaster nim nyina pram moja. Eheni ye free ye drew ha. Then a dear bedroom has say, Nagana has say, Asemba Akusia. Now we the teacher ni bi akofako da bi na social media na ka ho sem ye teacher ni students wo ma say properties na no so properties wo ma say no na no so ya ka ho asem teacher student relationship scandals na ba na ya ka ho asem na hwete sam obetie na Ministry of Education omo say omo power committee no omo be hwehwemu enti no omo ye hwehwemu ni wi a ye conference akese na recommendations aba na afi ye tete hwa na afi ye twen de besie biem ye twen de besie enti acquire a routine aye cyclical we know esia de in fact preemptive utimi hu ne ba kosie ye beti committee ye hwehwemu recommendation meba ye hu ne ba kosie biem na ehun abehia kasan say students yi eco school yi e wo se etiminya baabi a ebegina aka say never again saa de yi ni say sibiem eba ne say na mabunu 15 16 17 18 etimichi headmaster na ye penso saa time no krampo no na yekoto eye mpanimfo pa wo mo beti akati si olomo no Kumasi High School si olomo abodie be market you dare not. We move through headmaster. But the name could have fian headmaster. El Bono second for Nati Bibi. On June 22, 2026, Education Minister Haruna Idrisu announcement be say there's going to be another national conference. Now Okase conference no be July 2026. Inti conference no oma yewie omo be identify enema ede indiscipline eba in schools ahodomo na omo am proposals na afema solutions yentie Nhyira Haruna Idrisu nesemo a okan no yentie kakra.
Students in discipline involving examiners, in discipline involving headmasters, and in discipline generally as a Ghanaian disease. We need to work at it. So today, the Director General of GES is with us. You are empowered under President Mohammed's research agenda to deal forcefully with any act of indiscipline in our school. Be it a teacher or a student, don't spare the rod. And don't spare the rod. So Director General of GES, there must be consequences for misconduct. Conduct that is not consistent with acceptable norms and code of behavior. And you must ensure that we are moving away from responsibility-centered discipline to progressive discipline.
And that was the education minister. Fantastic. When you conference, I say, and oh yes, her announcement. And you see that it is one conference after the other, one conference after the other. Now, we say Ghana, you lack research on Nhyira Indiscipline ebankwada. There are so many research findings. Free and anon pencil. Sanya men na wo. Na point to the same thing, the same things, and I pointed to family breakdown, weak community supervision, poor school leadership, inadequate teacher training, media influence, lack of counseling in our schools. And yet the same thing every conference upon conference. Sadly, Kroya and you pointed. Until Nekra, scholars be the say, Kojo Achenamo, omo books or my guho. Na a proposal solution to Sanya Maya. Ubisa Jose, adding to the Enfanya Juma. Abrebiana conference upon conference upon conference. Didn't the emphasize money in Juma. Dintra. Your GAS Code of Conduct for Students 2024. Yeah, a set of standards and sanctions and a preventive measures. I was animating now. Where are those things? Where are those things? Conferences ever replace implementation now are quite very expensive because you got national tea and the conferences are the committees. You said committee tea for no matter now your conference na way for her near 12 per them near tea near D way near say and yet the same thing it becomes expensive for the country. Why should we keep on organizing conferences upon conferences upon conferences? Abra what lay down kind of say regulations for what I wasn't getting Juma. Yeah, Nemrante ne mabawa to me emboldened SHS headmaster no ma bono the second for. Are they headmaster any oba biakoda? Ayamwasem. Are you law enforcement agencies? Oko kind of say Singapore used to be omo friendly rich model. Now rich also responsible early intervention and assessment in community mental health. Rich Singapore for the omo no. Oko Finland we are seeing in our education. Woman the decline. One also running multi-tier system of support. South Korea also so investing heavily in school counseling. And think Ghana schools, you have power counselors. School be one counselor. Yeah, and you say or a teacher nina was also a counselor. They found a full-time counselor. Yeah, a bare mandatory, a bare compulsory. So student be able to go through counseling. Ghana, and then you take a cue from all these countries are now. Now, here is the uncomfortable truth. No crap, a woman say. Senior high school students, women are indisciplined. As in society now, woman na. Society a woman. Obi sit down, esi ensure kwan. Obi a no ko blame a ban sa ban na ensure yira fano. Society, traffic light eso red no atwam hurum wona ekro no. Society, uye obi a uye heja. Na ukodi kiw mu a. Now you heja. You say, oh, mama nemfa homra, o medical, o de omegye ye bo basa ya abaso esing. Law enforcement say obia o hye ne ho so no ye fa ne nya hwe. Na obia na nusu hetu o ye gidigidi no ne ye bo na baso. Enti mo frey hwe empanimfo a wo mo fa mra nya hwe. They watch them with impunity. Sankodai ne ye ne wo mo, ye ne tete mo society no mako school. Ye wi ane de nsate ne nkoda no so se nkoda no wo nya e no ye say e na no na me ka bibi fa dress na ye ti bo a ene asomade sha ye say university ye mo mfa we me can say ensua de and I will still stand by what I said. Ensua de empanifo society me ekoto am no wo mo na tete yen entete e be no de ma yen wo mo hwe ne ekoso wo asori ensori mu wo mo hwe de ekoso wo market wo mo hwe de so de ekoso wo mosque wo mo hwe de ekoso wo social media entine. And then Nooks, president, or say or suggest say, and Kayamba social media use for children and access people under 15. Who 15 in corner came out crying Nanka social media coho. Because of the echo way. And it's in nay, I saw the other and so say on my education minister, Niwakano, your flower so pa. But are you going to enforce the laws? Or say 6 students arrested at Obuasi Senior High Technical School. The school has been shut after mob attack on headmaster. You see, you have 2 school no more. Oma many of Paboka, and the amount of school kosuya there. You see, you have 2 school no more. Education, what is going to happen? A day in a bakery. ade a wukosua ne mu ebremu yesi esu a yasa so atum because of enyamo ho sem a wokoyeye na me ka se society no na ebridi san koda yi. We are quick to point at people but not ourselves. Nti penifo say wotene won sa edi kire bibi no na ba ko ne hwe no nipa kro no so no na de aka ni nyina so hwe so na yesi na hwe. What are we teaching our children? Indiscipline in our schools. A minor symptom of a broader and a serious problem you're facing in society by any cohort. And koda ye blame omo na koda boot teachers na koda say na koda twese kan ko school mu na omo ko why do him if you do ha who born dog yeah, our time you cannot do that, but let's blame ourselves. The society is corrupt until we fine tune ourselves, our minds. And koda ya omo kos omo ye say omo be kan ho, and the society is going to get worse. It is going to get worse because we reward indiscipline. We reward indiscipline. Now, omo me discipline there. Yet me obi so obi a din. Aka say, "What the way tetekwa? What the way botte dodo? What the way obi o gidigidi no? Aha, ne budget no so. Eno ne ye ne. Eno ye ne. Eno ye ne. Ye man kwada no systems papa. Systems say ye adwuma. Ye ma omo empanimfo a omo lead as an example. Na yamma wona odi won hu ni yamma wa baso kane no ka school ne ya reward ya pagya assembly hall ne ya pagya ne ya boni bidin eso on the best behaved student ne ya chena de it serves as an example sa nema no ye jai ni nyina eno ena de be duru ba bia ye duru. Look at where we are. God have mercy on our country Ghana. May God bless our mother Ghana.